Yeah, I bought this PlayStation 4 controller from the car boot store last week. It's missing the charging port and 2 trigger buttons. This how it comes with this, and this what was with it as well. I think he tried to change it himself. By the time I bought the little charging port itself, it was more cheaper to buy all of it from the car boot from eBay, because I was going to just buy the port, but like I said, it was just more cheaper to buy it this. It was only £2 or whatever, £2.90. I think the charging port cost £2 something. I think he was going to get 2, but I only need 1. I think it's more quicker, I don't have to solder nothing. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got 2 buttons. I mean, to put there. So let's open it. There was no need for me to open it that day I got it, because I knew it needed this, because that's what he gave me. Hopefully. Let's have a look. Okay, I'm putting this one back in. No, it's not coming out. Oops. Try this. Okay. I'm not going to put this one back in after. Let's put this one over here. Let's have a look. P. Get my. Okay. Okay, the ribbon cable's there. They look smashed up. Okay, make sure now I know the blue side faces that way. That is wrecked. Make sure. Should be. Not saying it don't work. Put it in there like that. Anyway, let's have a look at it. It's all board. Interesting. Well, it's got to be the same. Yeah, okay, this has got a trapdoor, that one slides in. Have a look. Let me switch over. Alright, this is the old port. Let's focus it. Is it up and down? Let's go up. Alright, this is the new one. The light's difference. It's LEDs. Look at the LEDs on this one. This one's different completely. It's definitely done. No, this is no good, nothing. It's missing off there. Nothing on that side, nothing on that side, that's alright. But this is enough of it straight. Oops. Doesn't it need all that on it? I don't know. Let me try it. Let's switch back. Over there. See, does it work? On the eBay picture, it didn't look like this. It looked like this on the eBay picture, with all the, like the same. Right, that's in. Gateway. Let's go like that. Let me get my all I have to do is press the start button, it should light up. So look, the battery ain't dead of course. Oh, it's coming on, so when it's coming on, we get a charging cable. Let me back in a minute. Let me go and get a charging cable. Put the microphone back on. Alright, got a charging cable. Let's put it over here. Let's have a look. And it's charging. Lights on. It's working fine. Let's keep this here. Let me look again. Let's look again. Let's see. Switch over. Let's have focus back. There goes. Oops. Focus it now. Let's go there. Go away. What is that? It's got that little thing. Where's this the bit there? Arena. Oops. I don't know where it's. Oops. Out of focus. Let's put it down. I don't know. Should I put these bits on? Should I put that on there? Put that on there? I don't know. I don't know what it's for. I mean, it works without them. I don't know. Let me see, can I cover that for it? Let me see. Could cover it. I don't know. Should I put these bits on there myself? I mean, it's ready. Let me see how easy it's going to be first. Give me some hot air. Let's have a look. It's on there for some reason, so let's have a look. Let me turn it sideways. Oops, there's some glue on it. Let me change my tweezers, I don't like that one. It's got glue on it. Come on. I have to get off. Come on. Okay. Give it a second to dry. I'll push it down. Do it again. It looks alright. Zoom in a bit. It looks like it's alright to me. No, I don't have to push it down, it's done. What's the next one I've got to take off is this little, a little bit more. Just take off this. And off you go. Right, it's off. Come on. I want to blow it away. It's so tiny. These tweezers are no good. Where's my other? These ones can do it. Nice and fresh ones. They look a bit crooked, but come on. It doesn't matter, it's off. That is tiny. Ooh, that is tiny. Come on, go across. There you go. Oops. This one there, there's this. Make sure. I do. Just give it a couple of seconds to cool down. It's my eye. Wait a minute. I'll get something. I'll be back in a minute. That's better. I have to blow my nose. Right. Let's take one more off. One side, I'm taking this off. Put that out of my way. It's off. Come on. Okay. Alright, that'll do. Turn down this low to be slow. There you go, you move into place. Yeah, that'll do. That'll do for all. Focus. That'll do. I think that's everything. I can't stop the lightsaber because I can't do it. Oops. Alright, let's clear it up first. So I can take off. Make sure I didn't do nothing to that connector. Oh, alright. Yeah, let's just clean it. No. My spray's a bit rough. Let me put some tissue underneath. There we go, that's better. A little higher. Yeah. Get it all in there. Put this flux away. Put this bit away. Alright, let's turn over and try again. Right, you can see how small it is. Right, I solder it. You can see it there. Let's have a look. By putting that on, has it done anything to it? Right, see, let's press the button. That's still alright. Still flashing. Just wait till it stops. I can charge that. I'm going to try the charging port. Yeah, that's right to me. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, yeah. You can see it. that's alright then. Come on. Ooh. Got no screws. Alright, take this out for a minute. Let this come out. Okay. Put it back in a minute. What? Wait a minute, taking it out. What? What's this in the way? Oh, it's come out. Okay, it was the tape. No, don't go that way. Let's try. Okay. And it's in its slot. Okay, it's right. So now I need a screw. Wait, let me come back in a minute. Let's go and get a screw. Sit back. So we're going to let's take one of these ones. Smaller. This one here. Put this so I don't drop it over here. Let's put this in here. Oh, this first. This next. Okay, that's right. Yep. Is it? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I think the screw head's too big. Oh no, it's alright, it's alright. Could be those steel parts, doesn't matter. Oh, wrong way around. You go in first, then you. There you go. You. That was hassle. These two. He must have just hauled it down. Ah, who cares? We try it. It's hard to see. There we go. I haven't bent the rubber cable to its place yet, but I just want to see it working first. just want to see. Over here this time, not here, so press the button again. Just making sure. I should have copied that fold from there. Come on, go off. Alright, that's off. Okay, it's fine now. I fold it properly. Let's wait for it to stop. Oh, it's this way around, I remember. So it's charging. Press all the buttons, it works. I just can't get the display up for the controller so you can see. I'll try on the PlayStation 4 later, see is it working fine, but yeah, just gotta find the spring. That's it really. Anyway, catch you on the next one.